I would like to invite Tripti ma'am for continuing the session.
Good morning, respected Father Regency Burgess, Principal, AGM Higher Secondary School, Bokaro, Vice Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Prabha Anthony Yadav, Headmistress Ma'am, Mrs. Nancy Burgess, and all teachers. Before starting the session, I would like to bring some incidents in your notice. Do you remember an incident in USA when a high school student opened fire in the school campus and killed many people? Almost every year, this type of incidents are repeated in USA. Another event is from Haryana, where some senior students of reputed international school brutally murdered a junior student. Now, in our city, we often hear the news about society of students. What do we notice common in all events? We notice the aggression and frustration are responsible for such kind of events. That means something is missing in our education system. Try to guess where the root of problem lies. Yes, the problem is in the structure of our education system, which has less focus on value education, and the sufferers are unable to handle the situation, pressure and aggression. So, today I am going to express my views on value education. First of all, we should see what is value education. If we go through definition of value education proposed by various scholars, we get some common insights. That is, value education is the process of overall personality development of a student, and it equally focuses on knowledge-based education as well as physical, emotional and spiritual side. It includes character development, personality development, citizenship development, spiritual development. Here we find that value education is balanced education system which equally focus on every domain of education. Now let's have a glance to the background of value education in India. If we talk Now let's have a glance to the background of value education in India. If we talk about value education in our country, value education is an integral part of our education system. Since ancient time, major part of our curriculum was based on moral and religious system. Britishers turned the whole system towards the materialistic direction concerning their own interest. After independence, government took many positive steps in education policies to revive the lost value education in our curriculum. Current education policy also follow the same. We all know that before 19th century, ashrams, gurukuls and madrasa were the prominent place of education, where larger part of curriculum was covered by moral and religious topic. Now, why do we need value education? Value education can shape students' future and add purposes to their life. It helps them to learn to live and the right way of life. To develop good moral value in students. Good moral value like respecting elders, obeying parents, teachers, etc. Enhance their decision-making capacity. Value-based education makes the students capable of analyzing different situations and facts and the quality decisions accordingly. They take quality decisions accordingly. Make them capable for opinion building. Value education also extends the thinking ability of the students, which becomes helpful in opinion building regarding distinct issues. Make them capable to take right course of action. It also helps to take right action according to the situation and problems, to transform them into a good citizens. Value education provides overall development. Their qualities are helpful for students for becoming good citizens in future. To develop tolerance and kindness. As we know, our country is a diverse country. Various religions, castes, cultures and languages exist here. The most important thing is that everyone should respect each other. So, tolerance and kindness are must for unity and prosperity for our country. Now, let's see the importance of value education. See the importance of value education. What all are the importance of value education? Responsibility, sincerity, cooperation, respect, scientific temperament, sensitivity, tolerance. What value does? What value education does? So, first it creates responsibility that makes the student understand and follow the rules and regulations of the society as well as law. They utilize their rights and duties in a responsive way. Now, when it comes to sincerity, it basically motivates students to do good without any reward, without giving or without being any reward or even acknowledgement. They try to understand the feeling of others and become honest. The third term is cooperation. Through value education, students learn to work in a group or act together for mutual benefit instead of selfishness. Fourth term is respect. Students feel due regards for the feeling, wishes and right to others. They admire and treat others who are impressive for any reason. Next is scientific temperament. This term refers to open-minded temper, ever ready to welcome new lights, new knowledge, new experiment, etc. It includes questioning, observing reality, testing, analyzing, and communication. It focuses on how, when, why. component is sensitivity. Value education transforms students to respond empathetically, they respond positively to their surroundings and sympathy for animals and plants. The last one is tolerance. Value education makes students try to bear the different opinions or behavior of others and take non-interference policy of other belief. Now, what are the objective of value education? Full development of child's personality in its physical, mental, emotional and spiritual spirit. Value education enables the full and balanced development of child's personality. It works on all the domains like health, mental and morality. Inculcation of positive manners, responsive and cooperative behavior to prepare students for future challenges, who understand his responsibilities. To prepare students for future challenges, who understand his responsibilities and is accepted by all. Being a social person who works for society as well as nation. Developing respect for the dignity of individual and society. Through value education, students are taught to respect the individual, society, where he lives and all his surroundings. Developing democratic way of thinking and living. The goal of value education is to perform students' thinking and living process. Tolerance towards different religious faiths. The main goal of value education is to develop an atmosphere where all religions and beliefs get equal respect. This is very important in a diverse country like India. The concept of brotherhood starts from family and school, and after that it extends from society, national and international. It means value education tries to impose the ideology Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam means हम लोग सब भाई बहन हैं, यहाँ कोई जाति और नस्ल में भेदभाव नहीं होता है, and this is Indian philosophy. Enabling people to take decisions on the basis of sound moral principle. The aim of value education is to enable a person to take decisions after considering moral principles. Now let's move on to how to impart value education in school. We can take some simple steps to inculcate the value education without any rigorous curriculum through following ways. Need-based curriculum. Curriculum should be developed after analyzing the needs of a particular class and teach them value according to their needs. Values which are most important and urgent should be prioritized. For example, in school, if we talk about need-based curriculum, then we categorize students in following ways. Classes 1 to 5. Students of this category are under the influence of the teachers and parents. They face problems like discipline, health, moral values, curriculum must be focused on these problems. Classes 6 to 8, this generally becomes the onset of adolescence phase, and the students are highly influenced by the leading character and fixes character of their friend. They try to copy and follow the same like them. During the process, they might commit some mistakes. So they need different types of curriculum. Classes 9 to 12, in this phase, students are in their own created world. They want to do whatever they like without constraints. Sometimes they get trapped in things like drug consumption, drinking alcohol, and smoking. They need a very different type of value education curriculum. Flexibility and innovativeness. Other subjects must be flexible enough to incorporate the teaching value. Theory or illustration explained may be linked with the value in life. For example, while explaining gravity, anything that has ego will fall down. When we add two positive numbers, their sum always becomes larger than themselves. Similarly, unity is also important in our life as it adds to our individual power. Flexibility. Now, we all teachers are teaching different subjects. Some teachers are teaching maths, some teachers are teaching languages, some teachers are teaching science, SST, etc. We should not remain stick to the bookish example. We must create some value-based example on our own. Jitin sir. Teaching of language. While teaching topic like creative writing in language paper, themes like sacrifice, brotherhood, etc. should be assigned. This will help students explore more about each value. Value education through co-curriculum activities. Co-curricular activities help students to develop confidence and overcome inferiority complex. For example, conducting plays based on morally enriched stories. Educational activities. Activities like poem recitation, etc., poem recitation, debate, etc. should be organized on themes like sincerity, honesty, and punctuality. This will make the students to think and understand the significance of the value. Cultural activities. Through this art form, socially desirable values can be taught. Attributes like teamwork, coordination, respecting others' opinion. In cultural activities, we can use literature like Hitopadesh and Panchtantra to highlight the moral values. Social activities. When a school extends itself beyond classroom walls, a student realizes the problems prevailing in outside world. Hence, they become well aware of their duties and responsibilities. Every year, we organize field trip in junior wing, in which students are taken to different places like hospital, police station, post office, etc. What they learn there? They learn many values related to things like assisting others, following the law. Sports activities. They can focus on physical and mental health, team spirit, honesty, determination, etc. They will also learn to respect others' effort and defeat. Accept defeat. Now, here I am using technology to show you one video based on value education.
ने अपनी अपनी साइकिल रोक ली। गट्टू ने नोटिस किया कि काफी सारे लोग सिग्नल तोड़कर तेजी से जा रहे थे।
पता नहीं लोगों को सिग्नल तोड़कर कौन सा मजा आता है। सिग्नल तोड़ते हैं और फिर एक्सीडेंट का शिकार बनते हैं। रोज एक्सीडेंट की वजह से न जाने कितने लोगों की जान चली जाती है। फिर भी सिटीजंस रूल्स फॉलो नहीं करते। सिग्नल पर ट्रैफिक पुलिस ना हो तो सीधा सिग्नल तोड़कर निकल जाते हैं।
तभी बच्चों के पास एक स्कूटर आकर रुक गई। बच्चों को देखकर स्कूटर वाला हंसते हुए बोला,
अरे बच्चों, तुम क्यों सिग्नल गलत कर रहे हो? तुम्हारे पास साइकिल है, निकल जाओ। अरे कोई कुछ नहीं कहेगा।
ये सुनकर गट्टू बोला,
नहीं अंकल, साइकिल हो या मोटरसाइकिल, सबको रूल्स फॉलो करने चाहिए। पुलिस के डर से रूल फॉलो करना और पुलिस ना हो तो रूल तोड़कर चले जाना गलत है। रूल्स हमारी खुद की सेफ्टी के लिए बनाए गए हैं, उन्हें तोड़ना मूर्खता है।
ये सुनकर स्कूटर वाला हंसने लगा।
मूर्ख हो तुम लोग, कौन से जमाने में जी रहे हो? हाँ, अरे समय किसी के लिए नहीं रुकता। तुम भी मत रुको, मैं भी नहीं रुकने वाला।
ऐसा कहकर स्कूटर वाला स्कूटर लेकर तेजी से निकल गया।
ये देखो, एक और आदमी सिग्नल तोड़कर चला गया। कोई कुछ भी कहे, हमें सिग्नल नहीं तोड़ना है। हम तो ग्रीन सिग्नल मिलने पर ही आगे जाएंगे।
सारे बच्चे ग्रीन सिग्नल मिलने का वेट करते रहे और जैसे ही ग्रीन सिग्नल मिला, बच्चों ने अपनी अपनी साइकिल आराम से आगे बढ़ाई और सब लोग निकल पड़े। थोड़ी दूर आते ही बच्चों ने देखा कि सड़क पर काफी सारी भीड़ थी। भीड़ ने पूरा रास्ता ब्लॉक किया था। बच्चों ने साइकिल को ब्रेक लगाकर साइकिल को रोक दी।
लगता है किसी का एक्सीडेंट हो गया है। चलो, हमें चलकर देखना चाहिए।
बच्चों ने सड़क किनारे साइकिल पार्क कर दी और भीड़ में घुसने का प्रयास करने लगे। भीड़ काफी ज्यादा थी और बच्चों को कोई भी आगे घुसने नहीं दे रहा था। बच्चों, अंदर कहाँ घुस रहे हो? भागो यहाँ से, चलो। फिर भी बच्चे अंदर की तरफ बढ़ते ही रहे और जैसे तैसे भीड़ चीर कर अंदर घुसने में सफल हुए। अंदर का नजारा देखते ही गट्टू, चिंकी और सारे बच्चे चौंक गए, क्योंकि अंदर वही आदमी स्कूटर के नीचे दबा और घायल पड़ा था जो सिग्नल तोड़कर भागा था।
अरे, ये तो वही सिग्नल वाले अंकल हैं। ठीक कहा था ना इन्होंने, समय किसी के लिए नहीं रुकता। इनके लिए भी नहीं रुका।
गट्टू ने देखा कि स्कूटर वाला काफी घायल और स्कूटर के नीचे दबकर तड़प रहा था। फिर भी कोई उसकी मदद करने आगे नहीं आया। सारे लोग मोबाइल लेकर उसे शूट कर रहे थे, फोटो खींच रहे थे। यह देखकर गट्टू दुखी हो गया।
हमें इनकी मदद करनी चाहिए। क्या बात कर रहा है यार, हम निकल जाते हैं यहाँ से। हमें इस झमेले में नहीं पड़ना चाहिए। नहीं हरी, हम भी बाकी लोगों की तरह सोचेंगे तो उनमें और हमें क्या फर्क रह जाएगा। ये लोग तो प्रेक्षकों की तरह वीडियो निकाल रहे हैं, लेकिन हम तो पढ़े लिखे और समझदार बच्चे हैं। हम भी इनकी मदद नहीं करेंगे तो ये मर जाएंगे। हाँ यार, हमें मदद करनी चाहिए। चिंकी, तुम एम्बुलेंस को कॉल करो, हम स्कूटर हटाते हैं।
गट्टू हरी और बाकी दोस्तों के साथ मिलकर स्कूटर के पास आया और स्कूटर हटाने लगा। स्कूटर काफी वजनदार थी, वो तो उनसे हिल भी नहीं रही थी। फिर भी बच्चे जोर लगाते रहे और उन्होंने स्कूटर को खड़ा कर दिया। फिर गट्टू ने स्कूटर वाले अंकल को सहारा देकर उठाया। चिंकी पानी लेकर आई। गट्टू ने उन्हें पानी पिलाया।
अंकल, आप ठीक तो हो?
लेकिन अंकल बोलने की कंडीशन में नहीं थे।
ये काफी घायल और सीरियस है। मैंने 108 नंबर पर कॉल किया है। एम्बुलेंस आती ही होगी।
थोड़ी देर बाद एम्बुलेंस आ गई और अंकल को उठाकर अस्पताल ली गई। अब गट्टू, चिंकी और बाकी बच्चों के आसपास काफी भीड़ जमा हुई थी। लोग उनकी तारीफ कर रहे थे। बेटा, बहुत अच्छा काम किया है तुम लोगों ने। मैं तुम्हारे साथ सेल्फी लेना चाहता हूँ। ये सुनकर गट्टू गुस्सा हो गया।
शर्म नहीं आती आप लोगों को? आप सबको बस सेल्फीज और वीडियो की पड़ी है। वो अंकल स्कूटर के नीचे दबे हुए थे और आप सब मोबाइल से वीडियो शूट कर रहे थे। एक्सीडेंट कोई खेल या तमाशा नहीं, गंभीर दुर्घटना है। हम बच्चे स्कूटर उठा रहे थे और आप सब तमाशा देख रहे थे। क्या पता ये हादसा कल आपके साथ हो जाए। ऐसे में अगर कोई आपकी मदद ना करे और मोबाइल लेकर आपको शूट करे तो आपको कैसा लगेगा? थोड़े तो सीरियस और समझदार बनो, अच्छे नागरिक बनो और एक दूसरे की मदद करो।
गट्टू की बातें सुनकर लोगों की सारी भीड़ शर्मिंदा हो गई और शर्म के मारे सबकी आंखें अपने आप ही नीचे झुक गई।
So just now we saw how technology is used in delivering value education. In this story, two major values are conveyed. First is that we should never jump the traffic signals against the instruction and always follow the rules and regulations. Secondly, we should help someone who needs immediate help instead of waiting and watching. In this story, children took immediate step. Their smartness saved the life of the bike hunter. This type of story should be shown to students on regular basis in school. Now, what are our school efforts in value education? An important thing that I would like to convey that how our management and school made its effort for value education. In the month of March 2022, our school got the 5-star rating for implementing green initiatives inside the campus. That was a proud moment for us. This type of efforts creates awareness and sensitivity among the students about environment conservation. This is also the part of value education.
Value-based education in curriculum. The new education policy 2020 in India emphasizes the importance of value education as an essential component of the educational system. The policy recognizes that value education plays a critical role in promoting the holistic development of students, enabling them to become responsible and ethical citizens. Some of the key highlights of the policy with regards to value education are as follows. First one is inculcating values. The new education policy 2020 in India recognizes the importance of inculcating values in students and recommends incorporating value educations in the curriculum at all levels of education. The policy emphasizes the need to teach values such as honesty, integrity, empathy, respect for diversity, and responsible citizenship among students. Teaching these values is crucial because it helps students become responsible and ethical citizens of the country. When students learn values such as honesty, integrity, and responsible citizenship, they become more engaged in their communities and take an active role in promoting school and environmental justice. Similarly, when students learn empathy and respect for diversity, they become more compassionate and understanding towards others, which helps them develop better interpersonal relationship and become more socially responsible. By incorporating value education in curriculum, students will have more opportunities to learn and practice these values. Teachers can play a crucial role in teaching value by creating an environment that fosters honesty, integrity, empathy, respect for diversity, and responsible citizenship, and by providing students with opportunity to practice these values in real world. Overall, inculcating values in critical aspects of education and can help create a just and equitable society. Next one is life skill education. The new education policy 2020 in India recognizes that students need more than just academic knowledge. To succeed in the modern world, they need life skills that will enable them to navigate the challenges of increasingly complex and dynamic society. The policy therefore emphasizes the need to integrate life skill education with value education to promote a comprehensive approach to education. Life skill education involves teaching students a range of skills and attitudes that are necessary for personal and social development. These skills include critical thinking, problem solving, decision making, communication, creativity, and interpersonal skills. The policy recognizes that life skill education is essential for the students to become confident and capable individuals who can make a positive contribution to a society. Integrating life skills education with value education can promote a holistic approach to education that addresses the cognitive, affective, and behavioral aspects of learning. By combining life skills education with value education, students can learn how to apply their values and principles in real life situations. For example, they can learn how to use critical thinking and problem solving skills to make ethical decisions, or how to use communication and interpersonal skills to build respectful and supportive relationships. Overall, the integration of life skills education with value education can equip students with necessary skills and attitudes to navigate the challenges of the modern world. It can promote a comprehensive approach to education that addresses the cognitive, affective, and behavioral aspects of learning and helps students become confident and capable individuals who can make a positive contribution to society. Now, promotion of Indian ethos and values. The new education policy 2020 in India recognizes the importance of promoting Indian ethos, values, and tradition in education. The policy recommends integrating Indian knowledge system, including yoga, meditation, and Ayurveda. With the mainstream education system, this integration can help students to have a deeper understanding and appreciation of Indian culture and tradition. The promotion of Indian ethos, values, and traditions can help create a sense of national identity and unity among students. By learning about India's rich culture heritage, students can develop a greater sense of pride and attachment to their country. They can also learn to respect and appreciate the diversity of Indian culture, which can help promote social harmony and understanding. The integration of Indian knowledge system, including yoga, meditation, and Ayurveda, with the mainstream education system, can also have several benefits. These practices can help students improve their physical and mental well-being, reduce stress and anxiety, and promote a positive outlook on life. They can also help students develop self-awareness, self-regulation, and mindfulness, which can help them become more resilient and adaptable to change. Overall, the promotion of Indian ethos values and tradition in education and the integration of Indian knowledge system with the mainstream education can help create a well-rounded and holistic approach to education. It can help students develop a deeper understanding and appreciation of Indian culture and tradition, promote national unity and identity, and improve their physical and mental well-being. Now, teachers training. The new education policy 2020 in India recognizes that teachers play a critical role in imparting values, education and life skill education to students. Therefore, the policy emphasizes the need to provide training to teachers in these areas and recommended the development of specialized courses for teachers. Teachers who are trained in value education, life skill education can provide more effective instruction and guidance to students. They can create a learning environment that fosters the development to positive values and life skill and provide students with the necessary support and encouragement to practice these skills in real life situations. Trained teachers can also serve as role model for students and demonstrate the values and skills they teach through their own behavior. The development of a specialized course for teachers in value education and life skill education can help improve the quality of instruction in these areas. These courses can provide teachers with the necessary knowledge, skills and resources to effectively teach value and life skill to students. The courses can also help teachers develop innovative and creative teaching methods that are tailored to the needs and interests of their students. Overall, providing training to teachers in value education and life skills education is essential for the successfully implementation of these programs in schools. It can help improve the quality of instruction, promote the development of positive values and life skills among students, and create a learning environment that fosters social and emotional growth. Community participation. The new education policy 2020 in India recognizes the importance of involvement of parents, community members and civil society organization in promoting value education in schools. The policy recommends the active participants of these stakeholders in various aspects of education, including curriculum development, teachers training, and the implementation of value education program. The involvement of parents in promoting value education in school can create a strong partnership between schools and families. Parents can help reinforce the values and skills that are taught in schools and provide support and encouragement to their children. To practice these skills in real life situations, they can also provide value feedbacks to school on the effectiveness of value education program and help identify areas for involvement. Community members and civil society organizations can also play an important role in promoting value education in school. They can provide support and resources to schools and can help create a positive learning environment that fosters the development of positive values and life skills. They can also help organize community-based programs and initiatives that promote values such as social responsibility, sustainability, and respect for diversity, which means the active involvement of parents, community members, and civil society organizers in promoting value education in schools can help create a more holistic and inclusive approach to education. It can help create a strong partnership between schools and families and promote community-based initiatives that foster school and emotional growth among students. Overall, the new education policy 2020 in India recognizes the critical role of value education in promoting the holistic development of students and lays out a comprehensive framework for integrating value education into the education system at all levels. Value education versus modern technology education. In today's education world, one of the most trending discussion is basically based on the curriculum that we provide to our students. Value-based education or technology-based education. The debate between value-based education and technology-based education is an ongoing one in today's education world. But both have their own merits and demerits. One, value-based education emphasizes the importance of developing positive values and life skills in students. Technology-based education focuses on the use of technology to enhance the learning experience. Value-based education can help students develop a strong sense of social responsibility and empathy towards others, which are essential for building a better society. On the other hand, technology-based education can provide students with access to a wide range of resources and tools that can enhance their learning experience and prepare them for the digital age. Ultimately, the choice between value-based education and technology-based education depends on the goals and values of the education system. A balance between the two approaches is essential to provide students with a comprehensive education that prepares them for success in the 21st century. It is important to remember that technology is a tool that can be used to enhance the delivery of value-based education and not a substitute for it. Here is a highlight of both aspects. Value education is the process of instilling positive values, attitudes, and behaviors in individuals. Proponents of value education argue that it is essential for building a well-rounded and ethical society. Without a foundation of values, individuals may be inclined towards greed, selfishness, and corruption, which can negatively impact the community as a whole. Value education promotes compassion, empathy, and a sense of responsibility towards others, which are crucial for creating a just, equitable society. It helps individuals develop a strong moral compass and encourages them to make decisions that benefit not only themselves but also others. Moreover, value education promotes the development of social and emotional skills such as communication, teamwork, and leadership, which are essential for success in personal and professional life. It is also helps individual develop critical thinking skills and the ability to analyze and evaluate situation from multiple perspectives. In today's world, where social and environmental issues are becoming increasingly complex, value education is more important than ever. It can help individuals develop a sense of global citizenship and responsibility towards the planet and its inhabitants. It can also promote cultural sensitivity and respect for diversity, which is crucial for building harmonious and inclusive societies. In summary, value education plays a crucial role in shaping individuals and communities. It promotes positive values and attitudes that are essential for building a just, equitable, and sustainable society. Supporters of modern technology education argue that technical skills and knowledge are essential for success in today's fast-paced world. With technology advancement revolutionizing almost every aspect of life, having a strong grasp of technical skills can open up many opportunities for individuals in terms of employment and career advancement. With the world moving towards a digital economy, technology skills have become a necessity rather than an option. Most industries, including healthcare, finance, education, and manufacturing, are heavily reliant on technology. Therefore, individual who possesses technical skills have a competitive edge in the job market. Moreover, technology education equips individuals with skills such as problem solving, critical thinking, and creativity, which are essential for success in personal and professional life. It also provides access to a vast pool of information and resources that can enhance learning and skill development. In addition, technology education offers flexible learning, including online courses, tutorial, and webinar, which enable individuals to learn at their own pace and convenience. This makes education accessible to individuals who may not have access to traditional education system due to geographical, financial, or other reasons. In conclusion, modern technology education offers individuals a wide range of opportunity to learn and develop technical skills that are essential for success in today's fast-paced world. It is not provides access to employment and career advancement, but also equips individuals with valuable life skills that are crucial for personal and professional success. Critics of modern technology education argue that in the pursuit of technical knowledge, individual may overlook the importance of character development and values. They argue that technical skills alone are not sufficient for success in personal and professional life. An individual must also possess a strong foundation of ethical values to navigate complex moral dilemmas. Moreover, critics argue that modern technology education may prioritize technical skills over ethical considerations. Students may be taught how to build and operate complex systems without adequately considering the social environment and ethical implication of their work. In addition, modern technology education may encourage a culture of individualism where success is measured solely by technical expertise and innovation, without considering the impact of these innovations on society as a whole. This can lead a lack of concern for social and environmental issues, which can have devastating consequences. Critics argue that the neglect of character development and value in modern technology education can lead to society that prioritize individual success over the greater good. They argue that a comprehensive education system should not only focus on technical skills but also emphasizes the importance of character development and ethical values to create well-rounded individuals who are capable of making positive contribution to society. The modern technology education offers many benefits. It is important to recognize the importance of character development and values. A comprehensive education system should not only focus on technical skills but also emphasize the importance of ethical consideration and responsible citizenship to create a more just and equitable society. In conclusion, both value education and modern technology education have their own importance and place in society. While technical skills and knowledge are necessary for success in today's world, they must be coupled with a strong foundation of values and ethics to ensure that they are used for the greater good of society. Ultimately, the goal should be to strike a balance between the two rather than promoting one at the expense of the other. Let's see an instance which shows how values education operates in real. So please run it.
the question arises, why is value education more significant in today's world? Modern age of science and technology produce many amazing things for our comfort, standard living of life, but parallelly it has produced some evils like violence, immorality, egoism, self-centered, frustration, aggressive nationalism. The world has already experienced the terror of wars and terrorism. Currently, we are witnessing the terrible condition in Russia-Ukraine war. Above mentioned situation best describe that even wonderful scientific achievement, the world is still a place of violence, gloom and disasters. In short, if we try to produce a solution acceptable for all, then it will be nothing other than value education. In today's education world, education system is that how much employment can it generate? Means the people opposing the importance of value education state that value education is useless and wasting of time. But on another hand, the educationists who favor value education argue that methodistic curriculum leads to aggression, frustration and selfishness. Value education based on humanity, which is the most useful tool which our world needs. After analyzing both opinions, it seems that the balance of both types of education will be fruitful for the students. The only challenge is to maintain the balance. Both the ideology are two faces of the same coin. Now let's conclude the session. In today's world, it is a harsh truth that globalization and privatization of education system has made it mechanical and commercial and less dedicated to moral values. Many schools have shifted their focus from students to the curriculum and the success ratio. But we, as an educationists, we should consider this as our responsibility towards students as well as society and add meaning to what is taught in schools. A small change in focus and approach can create wonders. Let's all work towards helping create humans. Now, I would like to thank Ms. Father AGC Varghese, Principal, MGM Higher Secondary School, Bokaro, Vice Principal Ma'am, Headmistress Ma'am for giving me opportunity to take session of value education. Also thanks to all teachers who have assembled and participated in this in-house training session. Thanks to all support staff and technical team, Mr. Jibril Thomas sir. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.
Values are the important thing of concern and it is as well the serious issues to be discussed. Thank you ma'am for sharing your experience and knowledge on importance of value education. It's the need of the time and well said by Swami Vivekananda ji. We want that education by which character is formed, strength of mind is increased, the intellect is expanded and by which one can stand on one's own feet. That type of education we are expecting in this new era. Now once again thank you ma'am for sharing your ideas how to impart the value education through school curriculum. Thank you ma'am, and I really appreciate the effort of father and as well as Tripti ma'am in a short period, ma'am has did all this presentation and very interactive and innovative presentation. Thank you, ma'am, for that. And thank you, everyone.